let's say that you have f of x here and f prime of x there. Maybe we can make like a chart. So let's say that you have a picture here in green, and the picture here in green, it looks like this. So let's say that you have this f of x. Well, I can tell you one thing. As I see this graph here, this looks like something that's like power 3. And I know that the derivative of a power 3 would be something like a number and then power 2. So if it's a power 2, that's a parabola, so it would look like that. You see the connection between the original and its derivative? If it's a power 3, then the derivative is a power 2. What about like this? What if I have an upside down parabola? An upside down parabola is like a negative x squared, and maybe some other pieces, but the strongest piece is this one. So what would be the derivative of a negative power 2? It would be something like a negative power 1. And we know that a power 1 is like a line. But look, this one's no good because it has to be a negative slope. So really, the picture would be more appropriate like that. So a power 2, the derivative is the power 1, which is a tilted line. And since this one was a negative, this is also a negative, which is why this has a negative slope. And what if we go vice versa? What if I take away all this here? Let's go back here. What if I give you this one first? So let's say that I have like, let's say like this. So here, I can tell you that this is a power 3, but it's negative. And I know it's negative because the right arrow goes down. See that? So if this is a power 3 for the derivative, then the original had to be something that's a power 4, but also negative. Because if the derivative is negative, it probably came from an original that's also negative. See that? So now the question is, what the heck does this look like? Well, a power 4 kind of looks like a W, but again, since it's negative, the W would have to be something like upside down. So these are not like exact rules. These are just like general ideas that a power 4 has a derivative power 3. If the original has a negative orientation, then its derivative would also have a negative orientation, where a negative orientation is where the right arrow goes down.